Hello, today we are solving May 2019 Unit 1 IAL. Abel and Baker are in partnership and they have their asset and liabilities are given here. They formed a partnership and there were certain adjustments. First part we were asked to prepare capital account of the partners. In the part B, we had prepared statement of financial position. Now there is certain information which is given at the end of the year 30th April 2019. We have to prepare the appropriation section of the statement of profit and loss under the comprehensive income. It is given profit of the year and the drawings which has been done by the partners. Now let's prepare the appropriation section. The profit for the year was 20,800. So let's write it here. Then you will add any interest received from the drawings through the partners. So this is coming into the business. This will be added to the profit. So 8% of 7,500 is going to be 600 pounds. Now 8%, okay, and the drawing made was by the baker was 19,000 minus the salary. Okay, the drawing section was only 10,000 by baker, so 8% on 10,000 is 800 pounds. So this will be added to the profit. Then salary paid to the Abel was 0. The salary paid to the baker was 9,000. This is going out of the business, so you will subtract. Now calculate the profit 13,200. Now you will share it in the ratio of 1/3 and 2/3. So for Abel it is 4,400 and for the baker it will be 8,800.